I have a new set of screwdrivers, and I wanted to attach them to the front of my toolbox. So I ripped a straight edge on an old scrap 2x4. And then set the fence to the width of the 2x4 and ripped out a 2x2. It's going to fit across the front of the toolbox, kind of like this. So I got a length, cut it to length, and then I decided to router off the edges that would be exposed with a 3/4 inch round. Using a 1/2 inch drill bit with a flat tip, I drilled magnet holes on the back side of the piece of wood. Drilled one on each end, and then did a test fit on my magnets. My magnets are 1/2 inch diameter and 1/4 inch thick, and they have about 15 pounds pull each. After installing the magnets, I found that I had a problem where the board would creep down the front of the toolbox. It was just too slippery. So I thought, well, I'll use some silicone glue and just kind of paste it around the outside, not getting it on the magnet itself. Because silicone glue is, even when it's dry, it's kind of sticky. It has a high friction. So I just put it on there and let it dry overnight. Tried it again the next day, and it was a lot better, but it still slid down. It took a lot longer, but it would still slide down the front of the toolbox. So I had to come up with a plan C. Plan C was to use another magnet as a marking spot. So I put the magnet on the front of the toolbox, and then with the silicone and the magnets on the board, I was able to get it to stick and stay where it needed to be, even with a full load. The reason I went with a magnetic hanger is so that I could pop it off of this toolbox and take it upstairs and put it on the toolbox in my garage. I can carry the screwdrivers with me kind of wherever I go.